Welcome to Zarza's Hair. You are welcome. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is going to be a wig review, and today's wig is not your ordinary wig. It is a braided wig. It is from Especially Yours, and it is style PORSHA Z0529. I am going to put all the details in the description box and the link as well for you guys to find this amazing wig. Let's get right into it. This is what it looks like when you initially open it up. Just straightforward. What you buy is what you get. It looks exactly as it looked in the website. This is what it looks like. So now we're going to go on and try it together, guys. Looks good. This is like a boho style. We know, like in the summer, actually this style has been in vogue. It has been trending for the past couple weeks or couple months actually. It's full. It's not heavy, but it's definitely full. It is not your regular braided wig that you would wear and they could see the the net, the wig cap. So we could see that it has the lace, right? And it comes with baby hair. This is how it is, okay? And we see that you can only, this is the only style. You can't try to move the hair the side, no. It's only this way. So this is it. I would definitely recommend that you guys wash. If you buy braided wigs, definitely wash them before you install them. So we're going to go ahead. I already have a black wig cap, but if I am getting ready to go anywhere, I will not be using a black wig cap. I will probably be using a wig cap that is the color of my scalp, something like brown or a HD wig cap. Ooh, look at this, guys. It actually comes with one. So we're going to go ahead and put on this as well. This is perfect, right? I'm going to take this off and put this one on. Okay, guys, now that I have put on this color, I really love this color. We are going to go ahead with this. I'm not installing it. I'm just showing you guys how it is. It comes with this band, which is great. Now it comes with the combs as well, if you could see the combs. And theirs is a little different. Instead of the hook, you could tighten it actually. So you see this and you tighten it closer for those that like their wigs tight like me, so it doesn't fall off. So let's go ahead and put this on. Anytime you're wearing braided wigs, you want to make sure that your cornrows are laid flat. If it's not laid flat, it's gonna look so bulky and it can also look very obvious as well. My cornrows are not so flat, so you know, but I do love how it look. Because it is a boho style, I could spray it down with some water. I can also use mousse, so that way the curls are fresh. And then so we're gonna do this side, and of course I would definitely cut out the lace if I am styling it to go out, and then lay the edges, right? Some people don't like their wigs to, especially like with the braided wigs, they don't like to lay the edges that comes with the braided wig because it makes it look so fake. But whatever works for you guys, go ahead and do that. So this is how the wig looks. I will also go in and color, use my concealer. I will also go ahead, use my concealer right here and melt it. Maybe one of these days when I am going out, I will style this wig for you guys. We could do like a get ready with me video and we could style this together. Thank you guys for watching. If you have gotten a wig from this company before, Especially Yours, let me know in the comment. Let me know what you think about this color. Like, I really love this color. This unit is called PORSHA. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.